If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making Kanika. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are about 1 cup of fine rice, which is also known as Arua rice. And the type I am using is known as Sita Bhog. Then for the whole spices, take some bay leaves, fennel seeds, cinnamon stick, cumin seeds, black pepper, black cardamom and clove. From which take the clove and black cardamom and make a powder of it. Then half a cup of Jaggery or gur, 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee and half a teaspoon of salt. Now traditionally, these are made in earthen pots in Lord Jagannath temple. So to show you all, I am using the same. But you can make it in any pan that you have. Don't have to be specific about it. So if you are using an earthen pot, place it on medium flame and first add all the ghee, followed by the whole spices and the powder. Then roast these for half a minute and add all the rice. Then to that, add about 3 cups of water. As the earthen pot will soak up the water, that's why we are using 3 cups. But if you are making this in any other regular pan, then add about 2.5 cups of water for 1 cup of rice. Now to this, add the salt and over medium to higher flame, boil till all the moisture is gone. There's the water content and rice is completely cooked. Now finally add all the gur and combine these really well. Then again wait for a couple of minutes and switch off the flame. And it's done. And that's it. One of the Mahaprasad, Kanika. So do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.